So welcome and good morning class 4. We will start our next chapter, that is year to year. Okay. I hope my voice is clear to you, and today you will sing the things, isn't it? Now the second chapter, see, in a very first page you will see there are different kind of animal who are having different kind of ear. So can you recognize? I will ask you, okay. So at first you just tell me which kind of animal having the ear of different animal, okay. So you just go through it. Who is doing this? Well, the first one, see, this elephant is having ear of which animal? Find out. Second, giraffe have which animal? Ear. Third, you see buffalo having different ear, and this dog is having ear of someone else, and this deer is having someone else ear, whereas mouse is having someone else ear, and the rabbit is having someone else ear. So first one, if we see all these animal looking funny, no, because they don't have their own original ear. So what the ear they have? They are having different kinds of ear, and they are having different animals ear. The artists have drawn wrong ears on the head of the animals. Now tell me, elephant is having whose ear? Anybody can? Elephant is having whose ear? Whose ear seems to on the elephant's head? Yes, very good. So write down who is having the elephant's ear. Write it down. First of all, you will write animals which are given here, and here the ears of that animal is attached. First one is done for you. Second one is rabbit. Can you tell me rabbit is having which animal's ear? Very good, Daksha. It is giraffe. So write down giraffe. Giraffe. Third one is mouse. So can you tell me mouse is having? Yes, very good. It is dog's ear. Don't write dogs, it's single dog. And fourth one is giraffe. Giraffe is having whose ear? Aniruddha has written, yes, it is elephant. Write down elephant. Then in another column, another animal, dog is given. So dog is having whose? Yes, Aniruddha, Daksha, Jihan, they all have given the correct answer. It is dog is having, giraffe is having the elephant's ear, and dog is having rabbit's ear. Rabbit ear. And the sixth one is buffalo So whose ear buffalo have? Buffalo is having whose ear? It is deer. Very good. Again Daksha is given and Jehan is given the correct answer. This is deer. And the last one is deer. And whose ear is given to the deer? Yes, very good. It is buffalo. Daksha, Aniruddha, Dhriti, they all have given the correct answer. That is buffalo. I hope you have completed, written all these answers. See the funniest picture. All are having the different kind of ears, and it is seeming and it is looking very funny, isn't it? So write it down. Next, turn over the page. Now turn over the page. Yes, see the next page. Different animals are different kinds of ear, isn't it? So the different animal have different kinds of ear. Along the animals given below, which one have ears that you can see, and in which animals can you not see the ears? Right in the table below. Okay, so at first I will ask and then I will write them accordingly. Now tell me, deers, can we see the deer's ear? Can we see it? Yes or no? Very good, Daksha. It is yes. And the frog's ear? No. No, frog, we can't see the frog's ear. Frog ear we cannot see. There are two holes, no? So we cannot see the frog's ear. What about the fish? Can we see the fish ear? Jehan has written no. Yes. We cannot see the fish's ear. Okay, and ant's ear? No. You write ant, no, crow, no, otherwise I can't understand, no or yes for what you are writing. Okay. Daksha has written MNO. What is this MNO? Now crow is it crow? We can see crow? No. Okay. Now tiger's ear, can you see tiger's ear? Tiger's ear. Can we see the tiger's ear? Yes, very good. So crow no, very good. Daksha has given the correct answer. I mean the way she has written crow no. Okay. And then Daksha again written yes, Dhriti written yes. So tiger's ear we can see. Sparrow's ear. Sparrows, yes. Daksha, very good. Tiger, yes. Sparrow. Sparrow ear. Jehan, write sparrow. Sparrow, Jehan, no. But write sparrow. Then buffalo. Buffalo. No, you don't write yes and no. I can't understand, no. For whom you are writing. Sparrow, no. Very good. Daksha again written. Sparrow, no. Dhriti again written. Yes. Aniruddha again written no, but I am asking about buffalo. Buffalo, yes. So Daksha has written yes. Buffalo, yes. Next one is snake. Is it we are able to see the snake's ear? No, very good. Ayush Chakravarti has written no. Snake's ear, no. Very good. Next, lizard. Can we see the lizard's ear? No, very good. That means you know all that. And then giraffe's ear. Giraffe ear, lizard. No, yes, no. Lizard, no, very good. But elephant and giraffe ear, yes. Cat ear, yes. Cat, yes, very good. So we will put them in different two boxes and write it down. Among these animals, we will make two boxes and write the name of the animals. So, animals whose ear can we see? Animals whose ears we can see. We will make box, and in the box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, isn't it? And whose ear we cannot see. Again one box, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? So the two boxes we have made, and here the animals whose ear we can see, and the ear animals whose ear ears we cannot see. Okay, so one you just write it down. Here animals whose ears we can see: deer, then buffalo, tiger, giraffe, pig, elephant, then cat. Okay, these all animals ear we can see. These all animals ear we can see. Next, animals whose ear we cannot see are frog, ant, sparrow, snake, snake, duck, lizard, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So duck, crow, duck and lizard, then crow, and one more is there, snake I have written, crow, duck, frog, and then sparrow, snake, duck, and crow, fish. Have you written all these? Have you written all these? I hope you have written. Yes, so these all are the animals whose ear we cannot see. Okay, now below this box do you think that animals whose ear we cannot see really do not have ears? Is it they don't have any ear? What do you think? Is it they have ears or not? Anybody can tell me? Is it snakes and all those animals who cannot see? Is it they have ears? Yes, they have ears, but their ears are internal. They don't have external ears like us. So we have the external ear. No, this is the external ear. And elephants have the external ear. The ears which we can see from the outside, that is the external ear. So they don't have the external ear, but they do have the internal ears. Understood? So they have the internal ears. Next you see, let us observe this picture. So all these are the birds. This is cock, then sparrow, then this one is duck, then parrot, then crow. So these all are type of name the animals in the picture we have written here, and one there is a frog, isn't it? So write it down. This is, what is it? It is a cock, and then this is a sparrow, then duck, then crow, this one is a frog, and this is parrot. So these all are different kinds of birds, isn't it? Yes. Can you see their ears? No. That means the birds do not have any external ears. Understood? So birds do not possess any kind of external ear. But they all have the ears, but their ears are actually internal, so we cannot see them. Clear to you? And that's all for the day. Next day I will start from page number 17 and page number 13. So that's all for the day, and thank you for having the class. Goodbye. Please give your attendance so that I can take your attendance. Thank you.